Political Parties in Slovenia 2025. Slovenia's political landscape is multi-party and diverse. Here's the current 15th government of the Republic of Slovenia, led by Prime Minister Robert Golob. The government is representing a center-left to left-wing political spectrum. From finance to digital transformation, these ministers oversee the country's key areas of governance. Our political parties are Gibanje Svoboda, Freedom Movement. Leader, Robert Golob. Position, center to center-left. Founded, 2021. Fun fact, it became the largest party in Slovenia shortly after it was formed. Slovenska demokratska stranka, Slovenian Democratic Party, SDS. Leader, Janez Janša. Position, center-right to right-wing. Founded, 1989. Notable, one of the most influential parties in Slovenian politics. Nova Slovenia, New Slovenia, NSI. Leader, Matej Tonin. Position, center-right, Christian Democratic. Founded 2000. Key issue, strong focus on family values and social conservatism. Socialni Demokrati, Social Democrats SD leader, Matjaž Han. Position, center-left. History, a successor to the former Communist Party, reformed as a modern social democratic party. Levica, the left. Leader, Asta Vrečko. Position, left-wing, democratic socialist. Formed by merging several smaller leftist groups. Focus, social justice, environmentalism, and workers' rights. In Slovenia, coalition governments are the norm. Parties must often work together to form a majority, making compromise and dialogue essential parts of governance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more insights about my country, Slovenia.